We're at the Alex, the Big Money's house. That's how he does it. His crib.
717, go.
What's going on, Big Money?
Man, that mud's driving me nuts. As soon as it rains, all that mud's all over the road.
That's how rednecks do it. What's going on, YouTube? We're here with Pete717 and featuring Big Money, Alex the Big Money. This guy right here, the legend, and right, we're gonna roll some footage. We're gonna roll some footage on the legend right now. Check this out. We are going to pick up some police cars today at the police auction. If you guys are interested in police cars, police interceptors, we're shooting for a couple 2015, 2016 Ford Tauruses and Explorers. If you guys interested in one, we can get you at a reasonable price. We can handpick one with your specs and whatever you like. This is a dealer right here. We can deliver. He's got a trucking company. If you're interested in a police interceptor, hit me up on Instagram or YouTube. There's money ready right here. This is how you buy it. Cash ready. Gonna get some cash money featuring Big Money right here. This is a Big Money.
I'm not in the mood, but you'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess it's in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. Ooh, I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Hard to be your friend when you act this way. What message are you trying to send? What's this game you play?
All right, so we got two cars. I got 2014 Big Money right here. Got 2014 Ford Tauruses. Looking for white Ford Taurus. Have anybody seen one?
Me and you. Ooh, I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this.
Alright guys, this is it. So we got two cars, one each. This auction was horrible. Prices were 20% higher than usual. I marked four or five different cars to pick up, and at the end ended up buying just one myself, and even that it went a little higher than I was expecting, but it's okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Once again, please like, share and subscribe, and if you're searching for police interceptor car, hit me up on Instagram at Pete717 or on YouTube, and I'm gonna hook you up. Thank you.